So, all right, students, welcome to section 3.5. This is where your website finally starts taking shape, where you start taking the kind of shape that you expect. What we've been doing since day 2 is building the foundation of our website. But now, we're about to design the face of your website. We are here to do what? To start designing the face of your website to be welcoming to visitors and even to you as the owner. So today, what I'll be showing you is how to install theme, how to activate the same theme, and at the same time, how to customize the full appearance of your website so it looks clean, it looks beautiful, and at the same time, it looks professional. But first and foremost, before diving into it, what are themes? What are themes? Let's look at the definition together. Themes are the design templates that controls, number one, the layout of your website. Okay. Number two, it controls how your home page looks. Number three, it controls how your header and your logo is being positioned. It controls how your navigation menu are represented. It controls the font and the colors of your website. It controls your mobile responsiveness. It controls your footer. It controls at least the overall feel and the look of your website. Okay, a theme is like giving your website a new skin. Okay, you know, when you first install your WordPress, there's a particular skin that came with it. So a theme is like giving that your website a brand new skin. Okay, with the right theme, even the beginner can build a website that looks like a 200,000 or 500,000 naira project that professional does. That's it. Now let's look at types of themes that you can see or you will see in this journey. There are two major types of theme categories that we have. One of them is a free theme. A free theme is available everywhere, especially in your WordPress dashboard. These are inside WordPress dashboard. They cost nothing and work well for beginners. Yes, as a beginner, there are perfect free themes that you can work with. Example of which are we have Astra, we have Ocean WP, we have Bloxy, and we have the regular one that came with your installation, which is Hello Elementor. All right, then let's look at premium themes. These premium themes, they require payment and they come with advanced features. But for this scholarship class, we will focus on free themes that can deliver professional and a powerful result. That's what we'll be doing so that we enjoy the benefit of having it free, as I promised from the beginning of this class. Now, the theme we'll be using for this scholarship to make things simple, straightforward, issue-free, and at the same time, uniform for all of us, for all the students, we will be using Astra theme. Astra theme is one of the themes I love so much, okay? And why do I want us to use Astra theme? Very simple. Astra is one of the themes that I see it to be lightweight, very light. It loads very fast. It works well. When I say well, it works perfectly well with Elementor. It is mobile friendly and it gives many customization options, unlike some of other themes. And at the end of the day, it is open source. It is free. It is free. This thing will help you build to help you as a student build beautiful, clean, professional website, even with zero coding. You know, this is a no coding tech class. So with no knowledge of tech, you will have a professional looking website. Now, how do you install this thing? Let me quickly guide us before we go online. Installing this thing, when you install a thing, you are simply telling WordPress a message. Okay, you are only telling the WordPress, as in the system, from your dashboard. You are saying, this is how I want my website to look. So once you install it, you can now start customizing it to match your own personal brand, or to match the brand of your future clients. Okay, that's the way it is. Or to match the purpose of your website. Okay, and to do that, there's a place inside our appearance, inside our WordPress dashboard, where we call it appearance customization. Inside WordPress, there is a section called appearance. When you get to appearance, once you hover your mouse on it, you see customize. When you click this customize, the inside this place, this is where the magic happens. From this panel, you can change everything that is connected to that theme, that is connected to the template that you have installed. Things like the logo, you can replace the logo with your own logo. You can change the site title, change the tagline, change colors. You can change typography, which is the font, the header layout, the footer layout. You can change the home page layout, even the buttons and the link, the background, everything, including mobile navigation. At the same time, page container, with all this you can change it. And when you open customize, WordPress give you a live preview of your website on the right and setting on the left. One thing you need to know is every change you make is visible instantly. And one of the purpose of this is you as the admin, you as the owner of the website, once you see the changes that you made and you see it visible instantly, if there is any correction you need to make, you can equally and instantly do the correction before others, or before you click live or publish, so that what you publish to the whole world to see is actually what you expect or what you like. So without wasting our time, let me take you online to see how we can install our theme, okay, how we can customize it, and how we can make it look good for us and for our visitors. So we are ready with me. Let's go.
So, all right, once again, let's see how we can now customize the theme that we just installed in the last online demonstration that I showed us. So quickly, let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard, and you come to appearance. Over your mouse on the appearance, you see theme, you see design, customize, widget, menus, and theme, our file editor. You click on customize. You click on customize. Click on customize, and it takes you to this page. So this is where you make your website unique. You make it unique by adding or changing the color, the logo, everything that has to do with the template that you come with. This is where you change everything to be yours. For example, this is your header. Okay. In your header, you have site logo. This is your site logo. So if you click this site logo, all you need to do is scroll down. Scroll down. See, this is the column for site logo. Click here. Go and bring your logo that you have designed already. Let me just take this for the purpose of this class. I'll take this as my logo. I'll select it. Okay, I don't want it, I want it all completed. Okay, then crop, and you see that automatically is there. Can you see? This has been added as my logo. If it is too big or too small, I can reduce it to my taste. I want it smaller. Can you see? So I have this as my logo in my header. If there is another thing I want to add to my header, for example, this is primary menu. If you want to add maybe social icon, you can add it, but majorly your header and your primary menu is fine. It's fine. So that's that. Then you publish. Once you click publish, you go back to check, you see that a new thing has been added to your website. Let's see quickly, for example. Before now, we do not have logo. Let's see now. Let's see now. Can you see logo has been added to our website? Okay. Logo has been added to our website. So let's go back to where we are customizing. Okay. To come here, let's check. Okay, let's go to the footer, for example. I come to the footer. Okay. So in the footer, we have, footer. I think we have copyright. So we have copyright. So we can always change the copyright here. This is copyright. Okay, current year, clinical team. I don't want team author. I'd rather say power by. I can change it to power to acquire.com. Let's wait for it as network. So instead of me to allow Astra to be showing, let's go back there and let's see what currently we are having there in our footer. Currently we are having copyright 2025, My Baby Girl for Life, powered by Astra WordPress team. So I'll change the power by to my own identity. Power by and power to acquire. Okay, I can say empower to acquire.com. And that's cool. Power by empower to acquire, or power by empower to acquire training academy, right? Able to make it more professional. I'll go take my out of no time. So, all right. I think I've been able to change the footer to, let's see it again, to empower to acquire training academy. And I did something briefly before we had issue with network. I came to here to copy my website URL. I'm talking of empower to acquire .com URL. I have copied it just like this. I copied this. So what I wanted to achieve, which I'm still just to carry us along, is so I selected this. I click on the link. Okay, I added the link and I applied it. So that means if anyone click on this, let's go and check it now. Where is my baby girl? Let's refresh. So if anyone come to this website and they see copyright, my baby girl for life, powered by Empower to Acquire Training Academy, clicking on this link takes them automatically to Empower to Acquire Training Academy. That's what I just did. That's what I said, to make it more professional. So that's that. Yes, if you don't have another website, you can link to it. You can always link it to maybe your personal brand page where they can read maybe your about page. Yes, powered by About Us. So your About Us page where you talk about yourself, you are designing a portfolio website. Then also here, you can also change another thing. We have been able to change the header and the footer. Then you can change your color by coming to global, okay? Look at colors. This is blue. My brand is not blue. So if it's my brand, I have a brand color. Then if it is my baby girl, yeah, she's more of blue. So because I think I created the page for her, I can always leave it as blue. But if it is me, I'd rather change it to my personal colors. Okay, then also I come out, you can always also change your typography, the fonts that is attached to the website. This is different fonts that you can apply or you can pick from, but I am not interested in changing that. So because of that, I'm going to leave it. So these are the things. You can even do more. Container, the size of your container, if you want it like this, you can pick it the way it is. You can change it to this one or to this one. Okay, you can unbox and remove and leave it box, and you can always pick one, publish, see the effect, result before you finally uh, choose one. Okay. Also, button, you can choose the kind of button you want on your own website. If it is this, if it is this, or this. And if you want the one with instead of dark color, if you want one with outline, you can always go with this one. So as I said, what you do here is take ownership of the theme. Then you can come to site identity. Here in site identity, what you have is, you see, for example, if you come to empowertoacquire.com, let me quickly show you something. You see this logo here, this logo of WP, W that you are seeing, or this logo of ChatGPT, or this logo that is in Empower to Acquire. You customize your home by applying your own logo under this site identity. Just click this site icon, then pick maybe this or anyone that is your logo, apply and crop. Okay, let's see, so that after this, okay. All right, can you see the result? So let it load finish and we publish it. And I'll go back to check the results. Still rolling. Please, network, don't cut us. So let's wait for the addition to be effected. Let me still check our current look of the website. Is it completed? Yes, done. I think it's even there already. Oh, maybe I've clicked publish accidentally because I can see the logo here already. So that is the result of the site identity that we just added. So a lot that you can do inside Customize. But the main goal is to take ownership of all the templates, the design. Then when you come to menu also, here you can add or create a new menu. Okay. But instead of doing your menu from here, I like teaching my students to do menu separate in from our dashboard. So I may not even touch menu from here. Let me see what I am opening from here. I want to see that it's done before we leave here. So I think that is that on customizing our theme. Customizing our theme. So thank you for taking part in this class. I will encourage you to join me in the next class.